dude. Yes!
Animal. What a great climb. It's roadside, but it doesn't feel like it. It's really nice chilling by the creek down there.
Dude, relaxing.
The climb begins by pulling onto good underclings stretched out in a nearly horizontal roof. Right hand goes out to a deep edge. Left foot to a decent stance. Right toe hook. Left hand to an intermediate crimp. Throw to a juggy rail. Hold the swing. Campus to the lip. Bump to a slopey jug rail. Move up, left or right, to good holds, and a straightforward top out. Looks easy, right? Think again. This would be a really hard one to flash. Sending animal depends on getting a single position just right. It really comes down to the micro beta. The first time I felt the toe hook, it was so smooth and lacking in texture that I popped off as soon as I released the left hand. We tried tons of different positions and angles, over and over and over again. There's this one spot for me that feels better than the rest, where the toe comes to rest against an edge. I figured out that the key for me was actually turning my right foot inward, using my ankle to tilt my foot hard against the opposing foot. When you get it just right, you can let go of the left hand and sit on the intermediate securely, which sets you up nicely for a controlled throw to the rail. From the rail, you just gotta hold that swing, do the campusing, and it's pretty smooth sailing to the top.
Is this your warm-up routine?
Yes, sir.